Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can use templates in CapCut. So I already have CapCut open here. Now from this section here, from edit, you want to go to templates. Now on templates here, you'll see that there's already a lot of templates we can use here. For example, I want to make an edit of this one, this photo 2 one, right? And then you can see a preview of the template here, right? So you can usually see that with CapCut, there's already a thing here. So there's photo 1 and there's photo 2. So if you want to use this template, we'll need a photo 1 and a photo 2. If you want to use this template, just click on use template, click on allow. And then in here, you just have to pick your photos. So for example, I have this photo here and I have this photo here. I'm just going to use the same photo for both of the edits. I'm just going to click on next. After that, CapCut will automatically edit the photo into the edit. So you can see here. There you go. We have successfully used a template in CapCut. All that's left to do is click on export here and then click on export again. And then you'll have your video exported within a couple of seconds. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.